How to delete your Twitter account permanently. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to delete your Twitter account permanently. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Twitter app. Then we should tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. In appearing menu at the bottom we need to find Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Then we need to tap on your account at the top. And now we need to find option Deactivate your account and tap on it. Now if you click to deactivate, you will need to confirm your password and then your account will be deactivated for 30 days and after this period will be deleted permanently. And that's all. It was how to delete your Twitter account permanently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.